Hello, my brave learners. Welcome back to Brave Voice English. Today is day 2 of our 7-day Fluency Challenge, and I am very happy you are here. Let me ask you an important question. Do you want to practice English, but there is no one around to speak with? Maybe your friends do not speak English. Maybe your family is busy. Maybe you feel alone in your learning journey. If this sounds like you, do not worry. You can still become a confident English speaker. The best speaking partner is always with you. It is you. Today you will learn the power of self-talk. Self-talk means speaking English to yourself every day. It is easy, free, and very powerful. You can practice at home, in your room, while walking, cooking, or getting ready for your day. Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger. Every minute of practice builds your confidence. So get ready to open your mouth, use your voice, and take another big step towards speaking English fluently. Let's begin day 2 together. Self-talk is one of the easiest ways to practice English every day. It means talking to yourself in English, even when no one is with you. You can say what you are doing, what you are thinking, or what you see around you. For example, you can say, I am making breakfast. I am opening the door. Today is a beautiful day. This simple habit helps you think in English instead of translating from your own language. At first, your sentences may be short, and that is okay. The important thing is to keep speaking. Every word you say trains your brain to use English more naturally. Every sentence makes you faster and more confident. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need to practice every day. The more you talk to yourself, the more comfortable English will become. Little by little, speaking English will feel easier, smoother, and more natural. Your mission for today is very easy, but it is also very powerful. From the moment you wake up until you go to bed, try to speak to yourself in English as much as you can. You do not need another person. You do not need a teacher. You only need your own voice. Describe everything you are doing during the day. When you wake up, say, I am waking up. When you make your bed, say, I am making my bed. When you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you wash your face, say, I am washing my face. Before breakfast, say, I am hungry. While you eat, say, I am eating breakfast. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. If you go outside, say, I am going outside. If you walk, say, I am walking. If you sit down, say, I am sitting. If you open a door, say, I am opening the door. If you study, say, I am learning English. You can also talk about what you see around you. Say, the sky is blue. The weather is nice. The room is clean. My phone is on the table. Keep your sentences short and easy. Do not stop because you cannot remember a difficult word. Use the simple words you already know. That is enough. Do not worry if your grammar is not perfect. The goal today is not to be perfect. The goal is to speak. Every sentence you say is good practice. Every minute you speak helps your brain think in English. If you make a mistake, smile and continue. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. The more you practice, the easier speaking will become. By the end of today, you will feel more comfortable using English in your daily life. Small steps every day lead to big results. Keep talking, keep learning, and believe in yourself. You are becoming a stronger English speaker with every simple sentence you say. The best thing about self-talk is that you can practice it anywhere and at any time. You do not need a special place or a special time. You can start as soon as you wake up in the morning. When you get out of bed, say, "Good morning, I am starting my day." When you wash your face, say, "I am washing my face." When you get dressed, say, "I am putting on my clothes." These simple sentences help your brain think in English from the beginning of the day. You can also practice while you are walking. Look around and describe what you see. Say, "I am walking to the market." "I see a car." "The road is busy." "The weather is sunny." If you are working, talk about your actions. Say, "I am writing." "I am cleaning." "I am using my computer." "I am finishing my work." If you are cooking, say, "I am cutting vegetables." "I am making tea." "The food smells good." During meals, you can continue your practice. Say, "I am eating lunch." "This food is delicious." "I am drinking water." "I am full." Before you go to bed, speak a few simple sentences about your day. You can say, "Today was a good day." "I learned new English words." "I practiced speaking." "Now I am going to sleep." Always use easy words that you already know. Do not try to make long or difficult sentences. Short and clear sentences are perfect for practice. If you forget a word, do not stop. Use another simple word and continue speaking. The most important thing is to keep your mouth moving and your mind thinking in English. Remember, every time you talk to yourself, you are training your brain. Every sentence makes you a little faster. Every day you become a little more confident. Small practice every day is much better than one long practice once a week. Keep it simple, keep it natural, and keep speaking English whenever you have a chance. Little by little, your English will become stronger and speaking will feel easier every day. Your goal today is not to speak perfect English. Your goal is to build a new habit. You want your brain to start thinking in English every day. This does not happen in one day, but it becomes easier every time you practice. When you talk to yourself, you are teaching your mind to use English naturally. Little by little, you will stop translating every sentence in your head. You will begin to think of simple English words more quickly, and speaking will feel easier. Another important goal is to reduce your fear of speaking. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They worry that other people will laugh or correct them. But when you practice alone, there is no pressure. No one is judging you. You are free to make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Do not worry about speaking for a long time. Even if you speak only 10 or 20 simple sentences today, that is a great success. Those small sentences are helping your brain grow stronger. Tomorrow, you can say a few more. Next week, you will notice that speaking feels more natural. Small daily practice creates big results over time. Many English learners make one common mistake. They wait for the perfect partner, the perfect teacher, or the perfect time to practice. Because of this, they speak very little. But confident English speakers know a different secret. They practice by themselves first. They use every free moment to speak English, even if they are alone. That daily practice gives them confidence when they speak with other people. So do not wait for someone to help you. You already have everything you need to begin. Use your voice. Speak simple English. Talk about your day, your thoughts, and the things around you. Every sentence is progress. Every minute of practice makes you stronger. Start now, keep going, and believe in yourself. Day 2 is another important step on your journey to becoming a confident English speaker. Amazing work, my brave learner. You have finished Day 2 of the 7-Day Fluency Challenge. You should feel proud because every small step brings you closer to speaking English with confidence. Remember, real fluency does not come from studying for many hours in one day. It comes from practicing a little every day. Do not worry if you made mistakes today. Mistakes are part of learning, and every mistake helps you improve. Keep talking to yourself whenever you have a chance. The more you speak, the easier English will become. Believe in your progress, even if it feels slow. Every sentence you speak makes your brain stronger and your confidence bigger. Tomorrow we will continue with day 3, where you will learn the powerful mirror speaking method to improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Until then, keep practicing. Stay brave, stay confident, and never stop speaking English. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep moving forward. You can do this.